Okay, guys, we can rest here for the night. Guys? Oh. Can't move on anymore. Must keep moving. Y'all can rest. You know y'all can rest, right? Never give up. Guys, y'all are literally just crawling right now. Are y'all really this desperate just to see a fridge? First off, you treat it like it's magical. Ow. Dang, this is worse. This is honestly worse than this is worse than trying to walk through a desert. Oh, look at the ground. Oh my god, it looks like a desert. We're in a desert, you idiot. Look at how much farther we have to walk. No, absolutely not. I refuse to walk that far. Bumblebee, it's not even that far. Hot Rod, you are defying the laws of physics by talking. Hot Rod, that's it. What? What's it? I'm gonna give you the siren treatment. How are you gonna do that? You still have to talk. Watch me. Bumblebee! Daddy, I did that to you in the last episode. I'll fix you up. I'll fix you up. I'll fix you up, Bumblebee. I'll fix you up. I'll fix you up, Bumblebee. He said, no, get away from me. You said stay back or else. Bumblebee, I know you have no weapons, don't lie. Bumblebee, don't you know how many times I've lost an arm? He says I don't care. You already grown a immunity to it, so it doesn't give you any pain. Well, you aren't wrong. You said exactly. Well, let me just put it back on. Oh, Bobby, don't you know how many bones I had to break in this arm? He said he doesn't care. You're mean, Bobby. You know, you're very mean. He says the one who pushed me down. You pushed me off a 50-story table. Okay, that was just because you're scared of heights. Don't let the broken. A gunfight? Okay, you need to put this in gently. Bobby, let me give you back your voice box. Don't move. What the? Stop resisting, Bobby. Oh! He says he leaps and he scores. Ow! 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 He says that's what you get. We're leaving. We're not.